can't believe she's bragging about that walk-in store. It's ridiculous. I hate her.
Babe, can you imagine? She was gushing about it. She has no idea how much I hate her.
Hi everyone, welcome to Grow with Francisca Studio, where I teach you how to use free AI tools to make your work easier and create amazing content. In today's video, I'll show you how to use YouTube AI to generate videos completely free. I'll also reveal the simple trick to save and download your generated videos to your phone, because I know that's where many people get stuck. If you're interested in AI, content creation, or learning powerful tools without spending money, you're in the right place. Now let's get started. I have already generated the image and prompt I want to use for this tutorial, so let's generate the video.
Head over to YouTube, open up the YouTube app, then you click on the plus sign. Once it opens up, you see a star button up top. Right, click on it, then you click on create video. The next thing is to add your image. Now we've already generated our image, so we select the image. Now the next thing is to describe your video. You head over to ChatGPT to copy our already generated prompt. You copy it, go back to YouTube, paste it there. The next thing is for you to arrange it so that the AI can know who is supposed to speak. So that is what I'm doing right here. I'm rearranging my prompts. So after I'm done rearranging my prompt, I click on generate video. The video is generating here, and let's watch the video it has generated.
My queen, let's go upstairs and get some rest.
Give me 5 minutes.
5 minutes? I know you'll fall asleep right here.
Then carry me.
Gladly.
Now the next thing is to click on this drop down. You will see where to save your video to your device, so click on it. Your video saved to your device.
And that's it. Now you know how to generate videos using YouTube AI and save them to your phone. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Grow with Francisca Studio, because I'll be sharing more free AI tools, content creation tips, and social media growth strategies every week. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.